Hi, how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to answer an interesting question which I've been asked a number of times, and that is which question types carry maximum marks, or which questions in PTE should one focus on to get a high score, to get a maximum score. Now, of course, uh, the first thing that I say is that all 20 question types that you have in PTE academic exam, all questions that come in your exam, they are important. So if you want to make sure that you truly get a high score, get the maximum, then you should of course focus on all the question types. But still there are some question types which are easier than the others, and I think those are the question types which you should focus on first. So that if you can get a full score in the easy ones, that will build your confidence as well. That gives you some kind of an assurance that at least this much score you can always get, and then you can put in more concentration, more effort into other question types. So in this video I will tell you that which question types should you focus on first, and I will also give the reason for that. Now, I have divided these into two categories. The first category is the question types which are easy, right? So without any question, these are the easy ones, and you should aim to get the maximum score in these question types. And the second category that I've divided these question types into, these are the ones which are easy after some practice. So if you put in a little bit of practice, then these will become easy. So let's first look at the easiest question types. Let's find out which question types in PTE academic are the easiest. Make sure that you try to get the maximum score in these. So the first one is answer short question. It's of course easy because all that you have to do is give a single word or a couple of words answer to a common sense, to a general knowledge question. As long as you don't panic in this question type, there is no reason why you can't get a full score. The questions, they are from everyday topics. They do not require any specialized knowledge, so you should not panic. Just make sure that you're focused on listening the question, and as soon as you hear the question, you should give the first answer that comes to you. Don't overthink, and you will score very well on this. The second question type, which is very easy, is repeat sentence. So you hear a short sentence and then you immediately have to repeat what you have heard. Again, here if you are able to focus on what you are hearing, then from that audio itself you can pick out what's the right way of speaking. So to some extent you can copy that in your response. And if you can just remember, whether by taking some notes, whether by writing it down in your scratch pad, or just by remembering, then you should also be able to get full marks in repeat sentence question type. The other question type which is very easy is write from dictation. So this is similar to repeat sentence, just in this one you have to write it down. So you should always take notes. Just make sure that you are clear on whether you are typing in directly into the screen or you are first writing it down on the scratch pad and from there copying it into the screen. Uh, a week or two ago, we did a video on what your strategy should be for write from dictation, so you can refer to that for more suggestions. The next easiest question type is your highlight incorrect words. So all that you have to do is you have to listen and just keep on clicking on the words which are difficult. Again, this is easy because what you have to do is very straightforward. Just keep your cursor in the beginning, be ready before the audio starts, and as soon as you hear a word which is different from what's there in the transcript, you can click on that word. Again, do not overthink here, do not confuse yourself. Just keep going with the audio and you should do very well on this question type. So those are the question types, these 4 question types, they were easy without any question. And now I'm going to tell which question types can become very easy provided you have a little bit of a plan for them. So when I say you should have a little bit of a plan, it means you need to have some kind of a template or a structure in mind, or a plan of how you're going to attack that particular question type. If you do that, then these question types, they become very easy. The first one is write essay. Now some of you might find this question type very daunting, but that's not the case. So if you have some good templates, if you have some good structures in your mind, and you follow a proper method, step by step, you come up with your ideas, you put them in the template, you develop your sentences, then you can almost always end up writing a very good essay. Okay, so please just put a little bit of time into this question type, and you will see yourself very soon scoring very well in it. The next question type, again, you just need to have a little bit of a plan for that, is reorder paragraphs. Now here, if you change your mind from getting all the sentences in correct order, you change your mind from that to getting the pairs in correct order. So that is just having 2 sentences in the correct order, because in this question type you get marks for each pair that you put in the correct order, each pair of sentences that you put in correct order. So if you just do that and a little bit of practice, then also you will find yourself getting the maximum score in reorder paragraphs. The next one is select missing word. Now again, this might sound like a challenging question type, because you have to hear a long audio and then select the word that is missing in the end. But usually, if you just pay attention to the last sentence, right, or the last few words before the beep, then based upon that, plus by substituting the options, right, so they will give you some options, so you pick each option and substitute into what you have just heard. At the end of that, just put that option one by one. So just by that substitution of the options one by one, you will be able to pick the select missing word. So again, just a little bit of plan, and you will find yourself doing very well on this question type. So those are the easiest and the easy with a plan question types. Remember, in your preparation, all the question types are important. Do not take anything lightly, but these are the ones, the low hanging fruits, the ones where you should definitely try to get the maximum score. And if you haven't checked surewayenglish.com yet, please go. You can start a free PTE course, get a lot of free study materials there. If you are looking for a proper guided course, to put your preparation on the right track, then again, surewayenglish.com is the answer for you. Make sure that you check the website. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so, and I'll see you in a couple of days with another PTE academic video. All the best.